We are going to build this Shopify Checkout UI extension in this video. So when you add the product into the cart, that will be displayed over here instantly, and the new product will come here, and you can keep adding them on the checkout page. So let's see how we are going to do that. Let's open the Visual Studio Code, and first we will create the Shopify app by typing npm Shopify app init, and it will install the new app in our local machine. So we will create the app. We will select build a React router app, and from here you will select the language. Let's select the TypeScript, and then select your organization in the partner. I will select my organization. Yes, create a new app, and then you can give the name. Let's say we say AOV booster, and it will start installing the app in our local machine. So I will pause the video and I will get back to you once it is done. Okay, our app is installed. Now let's go to that app directory, AOV booster, and now open the terminal again and type Shopify app generate extension, and it will generate the extension for us. Okay, we are going to create the checkout UI extension and name it AOV booster. Okay, so now it is generating the checkout UI extension. Okay, our extension is generated. Now let's go to the tutorial. We are at the Shopify dev docs, and we are going to build this pre-purchase product offer on the checkout UI extension. So in this tutorial, they told us to go to the specific directory and install the extension. After installing the extension, you will see there your app, and in the extension folder we will see this extension folder again, and in the source we will have checkout.jsx. so if I go to extension and then AV booster and then source, and this is the basically file where we are going to make the changes. So let's go there and copy this checkout.jsx file. So I'll copy all the code and paste that code over here. Okay, the next thing, the Shopify.extension.toml. In this file we tell the Shopify where we are going to target this checkout UI extension. So in our case, we are going to use the dynamic purchase.checkout.block.render. This is the dynamic target. We can select that from the customizer. And if I go down in the checkout, in your checkout.jsx file, render the extension so it can be referenced in your configuration. So this is the first step where we are rendering the extension. And if I go down here, you will see replace the extension target. If you want any static target, you can replace that over here. Otherwise, merchant can drag and drop the from the customizer. And next we have API request API access, and in the checkout.jsx we have function async function fetch products. This set the loading true, and it fetch the first product from our store, and when we add that product it goes to the next one and so on. So this is the code to get the product from the Shopify store, and this is the retrieve data, and where we retrieve the Shopify lines, and then we add the line item into the checkout. So here we filter the products. If the product is already there, we filter that, and then we will have the add to cart functionality. And when we handle this add to cart, when we press the button, it adds that specific variant into the checkout. So type add cart line, merchandise variant ID, and the quantity is 1. So we are adding only one quantity. Okay, and this is the interface of, this is the front end of this checkout UI extension, and this is the loading state when we add the product into the cart. It give us the loading state. So this is the complete code. They have explained everything over here. You can go to their their docs and read all the information. So now let's run this app, Shopify npm run dev, and it will start our extension. So make sure you have the store where the checkout extensibility enabled. So in this store I have this functionality enabled. So now it is starting my Shopify checkout extension. Okay, it is almost ready. So let's press P to preview that into the browser. So this is our app home. If you click that, it will take you to the admin, and if you click on the purchase.checkout.block.render, let me open that again one more time. Let's close this and open that again. I think we need to shut down. So press Q to quit that and run npm run dev again. Now press P again. Okay, now click on this, close the old one, and meanwhile it is loading. Go to the online store and then go to the edit theme, and from here you can go to the checkout and the customers, and from here you will add the new block, and this is your AV booster. You will add that. Right now it is on the top. Let me remove the other one which was already created. So remove this block and move your block into the under the total area. So now you can see we have this, and save this. You can change the position from here. You can just drag and drop. So if I reload this, if I add this, if I reload the checkout page, and you can see we have, you might also like if I add this product into the cart and it is added and the new product is over here, and you can keep adding as many as you need. So this is how you can build simple Shopify Checkout UI Extension. And if you have any question, you can let me know in the comments, or you can visit their doc. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.